Cold email isn't dead. Boring emails are. Every sales rep out there is sending the same templated garbage and wondering why their reply rates are trash. And personalization has turned into a means to an end. It's just, hey John, I saw you went to Princeton. Yeah, your prospects are deleting these before making it to the second line. So, here's what you should do instead. Lead with product, not pitch. Send an interactive demo that proves value in 60 seconds. Then gauge interest. It's different, it's fast, and it gives your prospect exactly what they want up front. In this video, I'll break down exactly how to do it step by step and why it's one of the most effective outbound strategies in 2026. Let's jump in. Now, we all know that prospects are getting hit with 50+ cold emails every week. Every single one is a pitch, every single one sounds the same. Some fake flattery, some fake personalization, and a vague offer to hop on a quick call. Nobody has time for that. They don't want to hear about your features, how many customers you have, or the rewards you've acquired. Your prospects only care about two things. Do you understand my problems, and do you have a solution that can solve them? And if you can't demonstrate this in the first few lines of your email, you're added to the spam box of doom. So, what should you do instead? Simple, lead with value. That means instead of talking about yourself and what you've done for others, talk about your customers' pains and show them exactly how your solution can solve their problem. And no, we're not going to show them this by requiring them to jump on a demo call. We will instead be sending over a personalized product demo tailored to the exact persona you're reaching out to. Let me walk you through how to build a cold email campaign that does exactly that step by step. Step 1, build your personas. Figure out exactly who you're targeting. Are they a head of sales, a VP of product, a CTO? Each one cares about different things, and your message and demo should reflect that. Step 2, record your product demo using Supademo. Supademo is an interactive product demo platform that makes it insanely easy to capture your product in action. All you need to do is install the Supademo Chrome extension, open your product in your browser, and click Start Recording. Then walk through your product like you normally would. Every click, every step, every screen is automatically captured and turned into a polished interactive demo without writing a single line of code. When you're done, hit Stop Recording, and Supademo instantly generates a shareable link you can use in your emails. Now, what should you record? Don't try to show everything. This isn't a webinar. Focus on the one part of your product that solves the core pain of your persona. For example, if you're reaching out to a head of RevOps, show how your product automates reporting or reduces manual data work. If it's a sales leader, show how your tool helps reps close deals faster or follow up more effectively. For product managers, walk through how it helps them ship or collaborate faster. The goal isn't to sell them, it's to hook them in wanting to learn more on an actual demo call with your AEs. Step 3, create persona-specific paths inside the demo. Inside Supademo, add buttons or clickable sections that let viewers choose their own path. If you're emailing a CEO, they can skip straight to the value for them. If it's an end user or technical buyer, they can go deeper into the features they care about. You're letting the prospect self-qualify, which makes it feel even more personal. Step 4, write your cold email. You want to keep it short and personal, and always point directly to your Supademo. Here's a simple template that works. Hey, first name, are you or your team struggling with persona-specific pain point? I put together a quick walkthrough of how your product could help company achieve result or remove pain point. You can check it out here, demo link. What do you think? We're not trying to sell here or get them on a call in our first message. We just want to initiate a conversation and build from there. Step 5, launch your campaign. Once the demos are recorded and the emails are written, launch your campaign with confidence. Now, every email you send is packed with actual value that will make you stand out from a sea of emails all looking the same. The reason this method works better than traditional cold emails is that you're leading with value first and pitching second. You're giving them full control to explore your solution before even hopping on a sales call, which builds trust. And it doesn't feel like a mass email blast was sent to them. It feels like something made just for them. That's why this crushes traditional outreach. No more long walls of text. No more, would you be open to a quick call? Just immediate, relevant value up front that starts a conversation and leads to more demos on your calendar. So if you want to stand out in your prospect's inbox, stop doing what everyone else is doing. Give before you ask for anything. Lead with value. And as you just saw, Supademo makes it ridiculously easy to do just that. You can try it for free, no credit card needed. Just click the first link in the description below to start your free trial. And if this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. If you want to go deeper into how Supademo helps you close more deals, onboard faster, and scale your funnel, the next video on screen breaks it all down. I'll see you there.